Hey friends, it's Jamie Jaco, your 31 girl, and I just got a box in like 15 minutes ago of a few orders that came in, and a couple of them are mine, and so I was really excited. I've not even looked at this stuff yet. I just opened the box, but I thought it'd be fun to do like an unboxing video again because everyone loved the last one I did. Well, I hope everyone. I got lots of good feedback on it. People love to see what other people order, what I order, things like that. And it's always just fun to open up a box full of goodies. So I'm going to open these up, show them to you, and then that'll be it. This is a small order, so it'll be really fast. It was one of my friends' order, and then I needed to get some stuff too. So we just did an order together, and it all just came in, so I'm super excited. So this is something I'm really excited about. I have been wanting to order this, and for whatever reason, I just kept putting it off, so I'm super excited to see it. So if you don't know, 31 has a jewelry line. It's a small jewelry line, and if you love the simple, dainty jewelry, this is your jam. You're gonna love our jewelry. But one thing that we have added on to this new catalog is charms that you can put pictures on. And so I've been so excited about this. I cannot wait to put it on my necklace. You can put it on bracelets, whatever you want to do. They're so cute and they make perfect gifts. So all of our jewelry comes in these cute little bags, and they always have something cute. It says it's what's inside that counts. So I just love this. So I'm pulling it out. Oh, y'all, it's so cute. So me and the kiddos and the hubs got our family pictures done before the holidays. Look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness, it's not blurry on that. Look how cute my babies are. I cannot wait to put this on my necklace. And then I also got another charm. I should have had that with me. I have another charm that says Livia and Wyatt, and it's got arrows between their names, so I cannot wait to put this together and to start wearing it. So stinking cute. That would be such a great gift for mothers, for graduates, so many great opportunities that you could use that charm for. Okay, so the next thing is something I'm super excited. So if you know me, I'm not a huge pink girl. I'm not a fan of pink. It has to be really stinking cute to get my attention. This is not a pink shirt. I would go more like coral, but I do like some pinks. I love baby pink. I think that's really cute. But I'm not a big pink girl, and I'm not a big floral print girl. I've just never been big on floral patterns. Until now. We at 31 have a brand new pattern called Island Nights, and I'm obsessed with it, y'all. Like, I want everything in this pattern. And so the first thing, I've already got it in the Weekender, so I can use it for traveling. And then the next thing, I already knew what I was going to get it in was my new lunchbox. So if you know me and the kiddos love to go to the park, love to do things like that, and so we're always on the go. And if you know me and my kiddos, we love to eat. We love snacks and drinks and all that good stuff. So if you see me out and about and you're hungry or thirsty, come find me, because I probably have a snack or a drink in my purse. But I always love to carry thermals in the car with us for trips, or just if we're going to be out for the day, so we're not stopping at gas stations or fast food restaurants. So I needed to get me a new lunchbox in this print, because once I seen that it came in this print, I had to have it. So this is our around-the-clock thermal. Guys, can you even? And if you don't know, I love that y'all are learning so much about me today. If you don't know, if you knew this, I don't like this, I do like this. Anyways, I love the color dark green. I love dark green. Hunter green, army green, whatever green you want to call it, I love dark green. Look at the handles. How beautiful is that? So it has handles so you can carry it, but then it also has a shoulder strap, and this is my favorite because you can adjust it, and I make it long, and I wear it crossbody, so I'm hands-free. This is my favorite thermal, y'all. And it also has a pocket in the front. It's a zipper pocket, so this is where I put my keys and my phone. So when we're out in the park playing, I wear this crossbody. I can run around with them, and I can keep everything together. So I'll put my phone and my keys in here. And then inside is our amazing thermal lining. And it also has a pocket up here, which is really nice. So you can put like napkins and forks and stuff like that in there. So I'm so excited to have this thermal. This is the around-the-clock thermal. Okay, next up, I needed a new zipper pouch. So I got me a new zipper pouch. If y'all don't have these zipper pouches, you need them. They go in my purse to hold all the little stuff like feminine stuff and pins and makeup and candy, whatever you need them for. These pouches are just amazing. I use them for everything. I usually have at least 2 in my purse. So love the pouches. Now this is what my best friend ordered. She has seen my casual cargo bag tons of times, and she just loves it. And so she has been saving up for it, and she's getting it, and she's excited. She's using it for her birthday gift. And that's what I say, like, you deserve it. Spoil yourself. It's your birthday. Buy you something that you've been wanting. And she loves this casual cargo bag. So it does have a cell phone pocket on the back. And the last time I did an unboxing video, several people had gotten this at one of the parties I did, because it's just a really great bag. A lot of people can use it for diaper bags. I love a big purse, so this is great for a big purse. She's also a teacher, so she's always carrying around extra stuff. So this is just going to be a great bag for her, whether she wants to use it for teaching, for her purse, or for a diaper bag, because she has a little one. So it does have the cell phone pocket in the back. And then if you'll see here, these are metal. I'm not going to take all that off because that's the fun part for her. And then it's got 2 pockets right here, which I love these pockets because you can put your cell phone in here, you can put your keys in here, chapstick, Germ-X, whatever you need. It has these handles so you can put it on your shoulder, or it has this so you can carry it crossbody. And then once you unzip it on the inside, it's nice and big and open. And then it does have a zipper pocket right here, but y'all, this zipper pocket is amazing because it's thermal. I know it's thermal. Y'all know I love my thermal stuff. So this is a thermal zipper pocket. So if you have to carry medicine, you can keep your medicine in the thermal pocket, water bottles, snacks. If you're carrying this for a diaper bag, this is going to be great for the bottles. So many great uses. So this is the casual cargo purse. It comes in 2 prints. Okay, let's see what else I have in here. Oh, I'm excited about this one. This is something I have been wanting for a while. It's been on my wish list. So if you know, we have a full line of wood decor, and it's gorgeous. And I have every piece except for one, and now I finally have it, and I'm super excited. I can't wait to see it. Oh my gosh, it's the decor box. So it's just a big open box. It's got the handles right here, and then my little like trademark. It's something I always say, seeking simple. That is what like my life motto. I'm always seeking simple, the simple things in life, simplifying my life, all the good stuff. Seeking simple is just like my jam. That's what I say all the time. So I thought that would be perfect to put it on my box, just as a fun reminder. I've seen tons of people use this. They'll put mason jars in here and then use it for a vase. Just all kinds of different things. I'll share lots of pictures showing you ways that you can use this box. But oh, I'm loving it. Okay, what else did we get? Oh, here is my best friend, she got the casual cargo bag, and which, as you know, once you get the casual cargo bag, you get a monthly special. And so she has loved this monthly special, and she's been trying to decide what she wants, and then she decided to get our Totally Thermal. So this is the Totally Thermal, and y'all wait till you see her personalization. It's so stinking cute, because if you know another fun fact about Jamie, I love bears. We are huge fans of the Smoky Mountains. I think it's funny that I wore this shirt. I did not mean to, but we are huge fans of the Smoky Mountains. That's our home away from home. We try to go like as much as we can. So I'm a big bear girl. I love bears. Look how cute this is. So this is our Totally Thermal. She put a brown bear on it, and it says Berry Hungry. How cute is that? She's so clever. So it does have the straps so you can carry it on your shoulder. It has a pocket on the front, and then if you open it up, it's our big, nice, open thermal lining. So this is very big. You can fit like 3 gallons of milk in here. It's a great size, whether you're going to be gone all day or just running errands, whatever you need it for, this is going to be perfect. But how cute is her personalization? Okay, and then last but not least, I love this bag. I already have it in 1 print, but if you know me, because I'm obsessed with 31, I usually have things in more than 1 print. And so I wanted to get a new crossbody organizing tote, because the tote that I carry right now, or that same product that I carry, the print's no longer available, and I get people all the time that are like, oh my goodness, I want that bag, I want that bag. And so I thought I needed to update my print, so when people see it and they want that bag, they can get it just like they see it. And I just love the bag so much, I just want it in a different one, because the other one I have is like a brown taupey color, and so I thought I needed a black one. So I got the charcoal. And this has been laying flat, so the pockets look crazy. But our crossbody organizing tote, not only is it a great price, but it's just a great product. It's one of our newer products, and it's been in the top 5 of the company since it debuted. So it does zip close, as you see, it does zip close. And then on the inside, It does have a pocket, so you can see the pocket. And then it has the handle, so you can carry it. Once you zip it, it pushes down in here. So you can carry, or you can leave it up. I like the look of leaving the zipper up, actually, but it's whatever you want to do. So it does have handles, so you can carry it like on your arm, or it does have the crossbody strap, so that you can undo it and you can carry it on your shoulder, or you can carry it crossbody. But I just love this bag. And then it does have 2 mesh pockets on each side, great for water bottles, and then 2 big pockets on the front. These are great for like keys, cell phone, whatever you need. And then I did the scallop monogram, and I did the baby pink and the platinum for my J. How cute is this? So I'm super excited. It's my new one. And that's it, guys. So I just wanted to show you these fun things. It's always like Christmas morning for me when I get a box in, and so I thought y'all might enjoy it too. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and I hope you have a great day. Bye, guys.